Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and Khalani's over here playing somewhere, and this is Two Curls One Comb. Today I wanted to do my wash and go routine since it's starting to get warm and ain't nobody got time for flat ironing, straightening hair, and trying to keep a blowout looking fresh when it's about to be humid. So if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and follow us here and share this video with your friends so their wash and go can be popping too. But yeah, let's get this video moving. Okay, so I start my wash and goes on towel dried hair. Children, I'll just untake it now because I leave it up in the towel from anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes. But it's not a towel, it's a t-shirt, of course, because towels are bad for your hair. But it's a little children's medium t-shirt. I actually bought these on accident, but they were perfect size for your head. So if you have like children who have small t-shirts, steal them from them because they're like the perfect. You can put your head inside the head here, and then all the rest of this is for your hair. And you can just twist it up and wrap it around. It's like the perfect size. But anyway, I digress. I just co-washed my hair this time because I don't like this is what I use to co-wash. But I don't like the shampoo that comes with this. So I'm just using this up to get it out of my possession, because my new thing is like I'm not going to buy new products and have stuff that I don't like sitting in there. So I'm just using this as a co-wash, and then the shampoo I'm using as bubble bath for Khalani. So it's natural. I like the way it smells, but that's about it. The shampoo really dried my scalp out so bad, so I do not suggest that product. But what I use to style is the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in, this, and I use the Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil. Just amazingness. I even like the way it smells. A lot of people don't like the way it smells, but I do. So I pretty much start in the back of my head. I take a really big chunk. So the first thing I do, obviously, is to take some of the leave-in and just put it in my hair. I'm not really exact at all. Just kind of, I shingle it through. Yeah. Just make sure it gets through on every... I take a lot of gel. Oh god. You can probably see the hair on my hands. But it's a lot of gel. Next time before I put it on my... But like I got like the whole back half of my head, so it's probably about the right amount for the back half of my head. But I'm not really scared to like over apply products like at all. I have a piece out here that fell down, so I'm just gonna style it. I'm not afraid at all to over apply products. I don't know why. I'm just not. And because my hair is so like prone for shrinkage, that's why I start on tie dry hair, because if I started on wet hair, my hair would shrink just entirely too much. And I'm still going through postpartum shedding. It's not as bad now, but it's my hair's still coming out. But if I were to start on what, like drenching wet straight out the shower hair, my hair would shrink entirely too much. I wouldn't like it, and you know, I just, you know, I learned that my hair does better on towel dried hair. I want to try a new leave-in. So in the comments, write down what's your favorite leave-in for your wash and goes, because I also use this leave-in for Khalani. So I'm like really over the way it smells. And I know that's not like probably a good enough reason to switch products, but yeah, I need a new leave-in because I don't like the way it smells anymore. In between each section, I wipe my hands off just so I won't get gel on the new strands first. Don't touch the lights, Khalani. I'm gonna have to childproof my setup because Lonnie is like, she's doing too much. You're doing too much. All right, leaving. Soon I'm gonna have to do your hair. Be careful, Bubba. And can you guys, like, when you leave, your favorite leave-in down in the description? Can we try like other stuff besides Shea Moisture? Because I feel like I use Shea Moisture. I've used Shea Moisture entirely too much, and like I know I put up a post about the dew, but I want to try something else besides that too. I want to try something like else completely. Like, I don't know, but like, can we like keep the? I want to try to keep it as natural as possible. Khalani. Yeah, these lights have got to go. I've got to find something else, you guys. They were cute while they lasted. They haven't been plugged in that long, so don't freak out. Khalani, can you please? They haven't been plugged in that long. I'm going to unplug them now, and she's going to play with them. We're going to get over it. Thanks, Khalani. But this is my life. You trying to get somewhat presentable, and she just toddling around. And then when I do my front, I kind of just smooth my edges. This is where all the edges, look at that whiteness going on right there. So it's fine, it's gonna dry clear. But this is where I smooth my edges, and if I need to add more gel to my edges, then I do, but I don't think I do this time. I think I got them pretty good. But this is what my hair looks like. Another good thing about when you towel dry your hair, you don't have to deal with like dripping. My hair is not like dripping onto my shirt, so I'm comfortable right now. I'm just gonna do some errands around the house and let it dry, and then I'll come back. But this is it wet. You guys can see it. Still like damp in the root. I'm gonna blow dry it now. Blow dryer, says Revlon on that side. It's cheap. I don't even have a diffuser for this. It only has one little switcher on it. And I found Khalani a headband, and I love this headband on her. So she's going to be rocking this summer. I think it's a good look. You like it? She likes it. It's a mood. All right, let's get moving. Okay, so now we're like 99.9% dry, and I'm gonna start stretching my hair because this ain't cute. So just watch. Okay, so now we're gonna do with a pick. And I go in at the roots, obviously, with this. Next thing I'm going to do is cool shot my hair to seal the cuticle. And this is pretty much my wash and go. At night, I don't pineapple my hair because this right here tends to shrink, like this area in my head. So I'm gonna show you what I do if I can find enough bobby pins. And what I do basically is twist it down this way, leaving the ends alone, and then I like loop it back so that way my roots stay stretched, and then I bobby pin it. And I do that in 4 sections, all going to the top of my head. And this will definitely, like, if your hair is short like mine, you have a hard time with pineappling, this probably will work for you, because I spent years trying to pineapple my hair, and it does not, it don't work for my life. It don't. So twist and twist, leave your ends free, and then bring it back up. And you can control how tight you want it. There's days that I don't do it tight at all. Focus, camera, focus. Focus on me. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like when I go to bed. And some nights I'm great and I put a bonnet on, and some nights I'm bad and I don't. I ain't perfect. But yeah, it's just all twisted. It's just all twisted up to the top of my head, so it stretches it. And then when I take it out in the morning, I literally just bobby pin, and sometimes if I have time, after I wash my hair and I'm going somewhere, I will do that just to give myself some extra length before I leave. And then I fluff it out, and sometimes I put one on my scalp and then do one of these and shake it out, and that's it. That's the move. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.